What up, everyone? Yes, we made it. Another week goes by, but that means this is episode number 3. What have I been printing? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys my largest print job I've ever done since I started 3D printing. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get episode number 3 kick off. Like every week, my wife asked me to print her something, and how can I tell her no? So let's start off with this. Right in here, she asked me to print her some roses for our kitchen. These roses are pretty cool. 2 weeks ago, there was hundreds of different designs, roses flowing out there. I saw these. These are my favorite by far. So the reason why, let me bring it up to the camera, is I really enjoy having these thorns on them. So these thorns here are all separate pieces on there, and all you gotta do is glue them together. So the plastic I use, the color parts, or the red and the white, is Matter Hackers. Really recommend this filament. You're looking about the $22 to $30 range, so it's a little bit on the pricier side. However, the green is starting to become, from the brand that I'm really starting to enjoy and starting to become my go-to, is Zytac, or ZYTAC. I highly recommend Matter Hacker, but if you don't want to break the bank, I'll highly recommend Zytec, and I'll leave some link in the description on where to buy this stuff at. Besides from that, there was one other thing besides my big project that I printed out, and it's this vase. The wife wanted a vase for the flowers to go into, the roses, so I printed her a couple of vases so she could put things in there. So now I'm going to try and make everybody that's my age or older a little bit jealous right now. To give you a breakdown, the print time on my Anycubic I3 Mega, which is that guy right there, it was about 40 hours of printing. Then another 30 hours of me sanding and attempting to paint. So what did you get? I'll show you. You get this tank right here. It's not only a tank from one of my favorite arcade games. The arcade game is Metal Slug. So it's not exactly like the tanks in there, but this is the same style on here. This thing came out so great. The only downside that I have of it, it's not the model themselves, it's my skill of painting. I don't even attempt to say I'm the best painter in the world. I barely could color inside the lines, but I did try my best on this, and this thing right here, I'll be proudly showing it off in my man cave. So when I downloaded this file, I didn't realize how big this tank was. To give everyone an idea, the tracks from here to here is 8 inches. This is about 6 inches top. It came out to be about, I don't know, 15, 16 different parts that you got to print it off. And like I said, it took about 30 hours. About 40 hours to print, and 30 hours of sanding and me basing it, painting it. And of course, I made mistakes. I broke parts. Some parts failed during the printing and everything like that. So realistically, I'm looking more about 60 hours of printing, of reprinting parts and everything like that. However, I cannot be happier than doing this. Now, so far the people I've shown this to, they all have the exact same response. That is a, can you print me one? Sorry, people, to tell you, no, I won't be able to print you one. Not because I don't want to. I just don't want to tie up my printer for almost 2 weeks of printing this on there. So until I get another printer or a couple more printers, yeah, people just got to be put on the waiting list. Sorry, friends. Sorry, family. But besides from that, that is it. Stay tuned for next week, episode number 4. I actually have the ideas what I'm going to be printing, and it's going to be a cool theme. So stay lookout for that. If not, I'll catch you guys later. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Well, you guys know what to do. Thumbs up, thumbs down. But don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'll catch you guys later.